What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this Bitcoin update. Today, another important one. It's an interest rate update. So what we'll do is we'll talk about the price, what happened yesterday. Obviously, we'll talk about the technicals, everything you need to know regarding that. But we'll also talk about the fundamentals coming tonight in about 11 hours from now, I guess. You can all look that up at myfxbook.com. But yeah, very important because it's going to make the market move, and not necessarily the rate decision itself, except for if it's different from the consensus, but especially that press conference is going to make the market move. So I'll tell you about that in this video. First of all, yesterday inflation rate was lower than expected, so as I did not really expect it, to be honest, but we actually broke above our biggest resistance level, which was 17,600. Broke above that, or I actually did this analysis yesterday already, so I'm not sure what I precisely said yesterday. But I also did a live stream yesterday, so I might have mixed some things up. But broke above 17,600, which was the first major resistance. Then found resistance at 18,000, and from there dropped back down straight away. I mean, it was a very clean touch. Very big sell order probably, and now we're basically like zoning above 17,600. That is the status. And for the remainder of today, I mean, I would say that as long as we're above like 17,500, we're still bullish, and I actually don't expect that expect us to get below that. It's probably in the like leading up to the event, we still have about 3 candles. What's probably going to happen is that we'll probably just consolidate kind of on top of this. I don't think we'll break above 18,000. I don't think we'll break below 17,600. So we'll just kind of be in this area. And then the most important thing today comes, and that is the interest rate decision. Now, as I said, probably not a lot is going to happen at 8 p.m. GMT +1. All right, you should check out what time it is. I mean, for the east coast of the US, like this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then you can calculate what it is for the west coast, right? And for Asia, it's even later. It's probably during the night, like in India. I think it's at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the night, December the 15th. But doesn't matter. So the thing is that we will probably not move a lot with that interest rate decision, except for if this is actually, like, it's not going to be higher than expected with the lowering in inflation rate, but if it's lower than expected, I mean, we're going up to 18,500, perhaps even 19,000. All right, then that would be very bullish, because it's also unexpected, and just in general, that's great. What's going to be more interesting and more important is those longer term projections. So basically, is the monetary policy shifting to one where the interest rates are going to become more stable and or lower? Because that's bullish for crypto, and it's highly anticipated that will be talked about. If that's the case, I think we'll break above 18,000 and get up to 18,500. 18,500, 600. And breaking above that is going to be hard. It's possible, but I doubt that we'll be able to do that soon. I mean, maybe after a retracement and something like this, and then like that. So it's just about that. We need to know. I mean, in central bank terms, you would call it that we need to become more dovish. Right now, we're very hawkish. We're increasing the interest rates. We're like a hawk, right? We're on top of that economy. If you're like a dove, I mean, you're kind of peaceful. You don't do a lot, and you loosen the interest rate. We need that. So we need those remarks from the press conference as well. I will try to make a Discord post in the Discord server, which is down in the description, kind of explaining what I mean with that more thoroughly. But in general, one of those things is going to happen. And if they say that they're going to keep increasing it by 0.5%, that's probably relatively bearish. And then we will probably drop down to 17,200, 300 again. But the chances of this, to me, seem just low. Also because the inflation rate actually is decreasing very rapidly. That's not something I think the Federal Reserve can just look at and say, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing, because then you'll land in a very deep recession. But yeah, so that's my take on Bitcoin. So I kind of at least expect for tonight to get up to 18,500. But yeah, that's my take. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.